Imagine holding a tiny tablet that feels like it stepped out of the future. No noise, no clutter, no visible speakers, just a smooth metal surface, clean lines, and a display that glows like something alive. Now imagine that same display vibrating softly, creating sound as if the screen itself has a voice. This sounds impossible. It sounds unreal. But the truth is the next iPad mini might be the most futuristic small tablet Apple has ever created. And once you hear what Apple is planning, you might never look at compact tablets the same way again. For years, the iPad mini was treated like a side character in Apple's lineup. Loved, but never celebrated. Useful, but never groundbreaking. A cute little device with a loyal fan base, but not the one Apple showed off on stage with pride. But now everything is changing. A wave of leaks, reports, and insider information suggests that Apple is preparing something bold. Something experimental. Something that could turn the iPad mini 8 into a shockingly advanced device, packed with features no small tablet has ever had. Let's start with the wildest upgrade first. Apple is exploring a speaker system with no speaker holes at all. No grills, no cutouts, nothing for dust to enter, nothing for water to damage. Instead, the entire surface of the iPad would become the speaker itself. This is not science fiction. It is vibration-based audio technology, where the body of the device creates sound waves by vibrating in precise patterns. Brands like Sony have already used versions of this tech on high-end OLED TVs. Apple seems ready to shrink that magic into a handheld device. Picture this. You watch a movie on your Mini. A character whispers. The voice feels like it's coming straight from the center of the screen. A car drives across the scene. You feel the movement shifting from the left side of the tablet to the right. The sound doesn't just play. It surrounds you in a way that feels almost impossible for such a small device. To make this work, Apple could place micro actuators under the display or inside the metal frame. These exciters would vibrate different parts of the tablet independently, creating accurate stereo effects, directional audio, and a level of immersion far beyond traditional speakers. And because there are no openings, the device becomes cleaner, more durable, more resistant to dust, and easier to protect against water. The current iPad mini does not even have an official IP rating. But with this system, that might finally change. Yes, deep bass is difficult for flat surfaces. Sony solves it by adding subwoofers behind the display. Apple might use internal mini woofers or advanced software tuning. But Apple reportedly has another trick planned: grip detecting sensors. When you hold the mini with one hand or two, the tablet senses how you're holding it and adjusts the vibrations instantly. So touching the screen won't distort the sound. The audio adapts to you, not the other way around. But as exciting as that is, the display upgrade might be just as impressive. The iPad mini is finally expected to switch from LCD to OLED. This is something fans have been begging for. OLED isn't just an upgrade. It transforms the entire feel of the device. With OLED, blacks turn completely black. Colors look alive. Contrast becomes stunning. Even a simple wallpaper looks like artwork. The new panel might be a single-stack LTPS OLED, and some rumors suggest Apple could limit it to 60 Hz. But that feels unlikely. The iPhone 17 lineup already uses 120 Hz across every model. And today, people expect premium devices to feel smooth. The Mini sits in the middle, not basic, not pro. 120 Hz fits perfectly. And because the Mini screen is small, Apple can optimize power and performance more easily. A high refresh rate feels like a natural part of this device's future. The screen is also rumored to grow from 8.3 inches to around 8.7 inches, thanks to slimmer bezels. It remains compact. It remains comfortable in one hand. But with a larger viewing area, it becomes more immersive. Combined with OLED, the Mini might feel like a glowing window you carry around with you. And since OLED turns off pixels to create black levels, dark mode could even help battery life. But the real beast hiding inside this tiny tablet is the performance jump. The iPad mini 8 is expected to get the A19 Pro chip, the same chip powering the iPhone 17 Pro. Built on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, this chip, Brings massive gains in speed, graphics, AI power, and efficiency. It includes a 16-core neural engine and a GPU that may outperform the A17 Pro by up to 3 times. This means better gaming, faster creative apps, stronger AI features, smoother multitasking. And that brings us to RAM. The Mini is rumored to jump to 12 gigabytes. That is huge for a small tablet. More RAM means the device stays fast for years. It runs more apps at once. It supports advanced Apple Intelligence features. It handles heavy tasks effortlessly. Apple seems to want this Mini to stay future-proof for a long time. Design-wise, the Mini stays familiar. Flat edges, a lightweight metal body, Touch ID in the power button, USB-C port, support for Apple Pencil Pro. It may get thinner and lighter, but Apple won't change what people love about the Mini. It is still the perfect travel tablet. Ideal for reading, perfect for gaming, great for note-taking, and easy to hold for long periods. Connectivity also gets an upgrade. Expect Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and updated 5G bands. Thunderbolt probably won't arrive, since that stays exclusive to Pro models, but USB-C is still more than enough for everyday use. The big question is when this futuristic Mini will arrive. Some analysts say 2026. Others say it might slip to 2027 if Apple splits the upgrades into phases. Historically, the Mini gets updates slowly, sometimes 3 years apart. But the most realistic release window seems to be late 2026, probably around September. Launching it alongside the iPhone makes sense. Apple wouldn't want to overshadow a more basic iPad Air refresh with something this advanced. Now let's talk price. Multiple analysts expect at least a $100 increase, bringing the starting price to around $599. Not cheap, but when you look at the upgrade list, OLED, advanced vibration audio, more RAM, faster chip, better water resistance, bigger screen, thinner bezels, it suddenly makes sense. This is not a small upgrade. This is a complete evolution. So should you buy the current Mini or wait? Honestly, if these leaks are real, waiting is the smarter choice. OLED alone is a massive leap. Add in the revolutionary audio system, better durability, and wild performance gains, and the Mini 8 becomes a premium device that actually feels new. Not just refreshed, not just updated, but redesigned in the ways that matter most. Apple seems to be using the Mini as a test platform, a place to try bold ideas. Ideas that could later come to the iPhone or other devices. If the vibration speaker system succeeds, we could see whole-less iPhones in the future. If OLED performs well on the Mini, it becomes standard on more models. If people fall in love with the Mini again, Apple may invest more heavily in compact tablets. What makes this generation special is not just the specs. It is the direction. This Mini feels like the first time Apple is saying, we want the small tablet to be exciting again. Not just convenient, not just cute, but powerful, premium, and futuristic. A small device that fits in your hand, yet feels like it came from the future. Something light enough to slip into a bag, strong enough for heavy tasks, and advanced enough to stand out in a sea of tablets that all look the same. The next iPad Mini might be the most desirable iPad Apple makes. A small tablet with a big personality. A device that glows. A device that adapts. A device that sounds like the future. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.